And the fun's starting. This delicate procedure may take some time, so we'll come back. So I'm knitting a pair of socks. Which I find is very relaxing and useful. Daisies keep me company. So I'll show you how I'm getting on. This is the second one. One done, and I'm about halfway on this one.
Yeah, just get the rest of the tools, please.
So the guys have been taking this down, and lo and behold, we have found a doorway. And lo and behold, behind that doorway, where you can see the insulation, that's my bedroom wall. So they're going to fill that, and they're going to fill the fireplace, the remains of the fireplace, and hopefully that's all going to be done today. It's been very wet this morning, and the forecast for this afternoon is not much better. And I'm here behind the Harassy fencing for my safety. and the guys are just preparing the face of this gable wall because we're due to have storms. So they have blocked up the old chimney, which is there, and when they were taking away the stone face here, we discovered this doorway. So at some point our cottage and the cottage that used to be here must have been joined. And the other thing is you can see from the roof line there that there's been a change in height in the roof. All very interesting when you're looking at the history of a building. So we'll just need to wait and see what happens during or after the storm, and let's hope it's nothing. So back at the house, we've had a bit of excavation and we've dug down quite a depth, and there is new foundations going in, and they're going to do that right along this wall, but for obvious reasons they're doing it in stages. The reason being they don't want to undermine the side of our house. So progress of a sort. So I thought I'd share progress so far on this wall, and you can see there's been a bit of building work going ahead. So let's have a wee look at this in more detail. So this block wall is being built as a smooth surface and to protect the natural stone of the existing wall of the cottage, and it's considerable, shall we say. Whoops. So a wee look. So there's concrete all along there. And you can see that's actually making our house slightly larger, and it will take them a couple more days to get up to the top. And then I think the rendering will happen first, and then they've got to sort out extending the roof line over. From what I've been led to believe, the slates will be extended over, so it'll be at least another 18 inches added on to the length of the roof line, and that will be finished off as well. And I don't know when that's going to happen. I don't know when the rendering's going to happen. So demolition and making good the end wall continues. So why am I outside? Well, in our quest to make the outside of the cottage look a bit better, work a bit better for us, we have had to change the satellite dish. I will put a little photo of the old one on after this little video clip, but I am delighted to say that we now have a shiny new and working satellite dish. So I thought I'd do a little video now that we've finally got our living room basically up to scratch. So I don't know what you think of it, but it's certainly warmer than it was. And I've got most of my books sorted out. Wedding pictures. And this terrific painting of John, which was done in Cornwall when he had the forge there.